Is your Toyota Highlander's alarm randomly going off? Here's how to pinpoint the cause. First, suspect the hood or liftgate switches. These can corrode or misalign, sending false signals. Key fobs with weak batteries are another common culprit, causing erratic locking behavior. Finally, software glitches in the body control module, BCM, could be misinterpreting sensor data. Use a multimeter to test switch continuity. It should be 0 ohms when closed. If you have an OBD2 scanner, check for BCM error codes like B1234, which often indicates a hood switch issue. Once you've diagnosed the problem, here are some fixes. Cleaning or replacing faulty hood or liftgate switches, costing $50 to $150, often resolves the issue. Replacing your key fob battery, a 3-volt CR2032, for $5 to $10 is a simple first step. For BCM glitches, a dealership can reprogram it for $100 to $200. Note, Toyota has addressed this issue through recalls and TSBs, so check if your Highlander is covered for free repairs, particularly for hood switch replacements on 2017-2019 models. Also, regular BCM scans and cleaning switches prevent many false alarms.